Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a cozy for your cup. We will be using aran yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. In my previous video I showed you how to make a pumpkin cozy. Be sure to check the link in the description if you missed it, or over here. This cozy is 8 inches wide, but it's really easy to adjust to fit any size cup, and I will explain how in just a moment. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. We will start with the honey color yarn and chain 28. If you want your cup cozy to be wider, simply add one more square. In that case, you will need to make a foundation chain of 32. For any other size, just remember that your foundation chain needs to be a multiply of 4 plus 4. Row 1. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make one single crochet into each chain. So one single crochet into each chain. You should have 27 stitches altogether in row number 1. And when finished, cut your yarn. So one thing to remember, we will start each row on the right side and we will work to the left side. Row number 2, insert your hook into the first stitch under the bot loops, place the tail of the new orange color onto your hook and pull it through. Then chain 1. Now starting in the same stitch, make one single crochet into the first stitch, and then make one single crochet into each stitch, but in the back loops only. Where are the back loops? Over here. So you insert your hook only in the back loops. You can crochet around the tail, which will save you time later, and you will not have to weave in the tails with a needle. So one single crochet into each stitch in the back loops only. And when you reach to the last stitch, make one regular single crochet under the bot loops. So not under the back loops, but under the bot loops, make a regular single crochet. And when finished, cut your yarn. So each first and last stitch will be a regular single crochet, meaning under bot loops, okay? So every first and last stitches are regular single crochet. Insert your hook into the first stitch, place the tail of a honey color onto your hook and pull it through. Then chain 1 and make a single crochet into the first stitch. And now we will make a double crochet into the next front loop. So where to find this front loop? We will insert our hook over here. So we will make this double crochet over here. And each double crochet will be worked in the front loop of the row below. Okay? So make a regular double crochet just in that front loop, not in the next stitch. And that's your double crochet is done. So when you make a double crochet, you will skip the stitch that is behind this double crochet. Okay, so your next stitch will be here. So we will make one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and remember, every single crochet apart from the first and last are a single crochet worked in the back loop only. Okay, so first and last single crochet are worked under the bot loops. Every other single crochet are worked under just the back loop. Okay, this is my third single crochet. Now I'm going to make a double crochet. So I will skip these 3 front loops and I will insert my hook over here and double crochet. And then again make one single crochet into the next 3 stitches. skip this stitch behind the double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3, and make 1 double crochet into the next front loop. Continue that way until end of your row. 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet. Last double crochet, and then single crochet under both loops. Cut your yarn, grab the new color. Since I don't want this video to last forever, I will be showing each following row with the first stitch single crochet already made. So first single crochet under both two loops. Now make 1 single crochet into the next stitch and work in the sequence. 1 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. So that's gonna be your sequence. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Then again 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, and continue until end of the row. And the last stitch is single crochet, and then again single crochet under the both loops. Cut your yarn, grab new color. Row number 5, make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and start to work in the sequence. 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, continue until end of the row. So 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. The last double crochet, and the single crochet. Cut your yarn, grab new color. So we will work with the white yarn now. We will make 1 single crochet into each stitch in row number 6. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. Remember, work under both loop in the last stitch. Row number 7, start with 1 double crochet into the first 3 stitches. 2, 3, and start to work in the sequence. 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, one double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet. And when you reach the 4th stitch from the end, make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and then make one last single crochet, then cut your yarn. Make one single crochet into the first 3 stitches, and from now work in the sequence: 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And continue until you reach the 4th stitch from the end. And now make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches and make 1 regular single crochet into the last stitch. Row number 9, make 1 double crochet into the first 3 stitches, and now start to work in the sequence: 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Continue to work in this sequence until you reach the 4th stitch from the end. Then make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and make a single crochet into the last stitch. Row number 10, make 1 single crochet into each stitch. Row 11, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. One double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and continue until end of the row. Remember to work under both loops in the last stitch. Row number 12, make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then make a double crochet into the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then double crochet into the next stitch, and continue this sequence until end of the row. Row 13, make a double crochet into the first stitch, then make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and continue until end of the row. Now with the white yarn, insert your hook into first corner, make a single crochet and chain one, and make one single crochet into each stitch all around. When working on the corners, make one single crochet, then chain one and make a single crochet into the same stitch. And on the sides, work one single crochet per one row. When finished, chain one and slip stitch under the first stitch. Now, chain one, turn your work, make one single crochet into the first 3 stitches. And chain 10. You might chain more if you need for your muck. And when finished, make one single crochet into the last 3 stitches, then cut your yarn and wave tails inside. And make exactly the same from the other side. So insert your hook into the corner, put the tail of the yarn onto your hook and pull it through, chain one. Make one single crochet into the first 3 stitches. Then chain 10 and make one single crochet into the last 3 stitches. Then cut your yarn and wave tails inside. And that's your cup cozy is finished. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.